Hello there everybody, my name is Destiny and today I'll be showing you on how to overclock your gaming monitor. Let's begin. So boys and girls, before we begin with this tutorial, I just want to warn you that by overclocking you may reduce the overall lifespan of your monitor. So if you're not sure what you're doing, or I don't know, if you have a questionable monitor when it comes to quality, I wouldn't really recommend doing this. Let's begin. This video is for nvidia users because I don't have an AMD GPU. So pretty much the base principle is that we will be creating a custom resolution that our monitor doesn't need to support. So you want to go to right click nvidia control panel, wait while this loads. Okay, now go to change resolution, and now when you're here you want to go to customize, enable resolutions not exposed by the display, create custom, and this is the most important part. So for example, let's say that you've got a 60 Hz monitor, you want to overclock it to 75. Then like you would go and increase the refresh rate, so of increments of 5, so you would go plus 5 increments every time, so that like the monitor doesn't, I don't know, overheat, or like it can adapt to change. So if you, let's say, have 60 Hz, then it would be like 60 here, then you want to go 65 and then click on test. And pretty much what this will do, it's gonna show you, as you can see, successful, yes. And now let's say that, and now we've actually applied that refresh rate here. So now what may happen is that your monitor might like get a black screen and it might say in the middle input not supported. Then it's alright. After some time the monitor will revert to its initial refresh rate and you'll be fine. So that's actually the maximum point up to which you can overclock. So if it says input not supported, don't go over that amount, your monitor can't handle it. And boys and girls, this is pretty much it from this video. Short, easy, simple. If you want more tutorials, subscribe, give me a like, and I'll see you next one. Peace.